What is up, everybody? It's Wolf Gaming, and today I am playing once more with Bloxburge. And I did another video, but it was so laggy I just couldn't put up with it. So I went on a new one and seeing if this is any different. It's a little bit laggy, but hey, just put this in the server. Okay. So, bother work today, so I'm just gonna go right in, not doing anything today, except for get myself ready. There we go. There we go. Let's just close the door. Close the door on my face. Next. And what else do I need here? Oh yeah. So, the aim of this episode is to just make myself have a better backyard, because so far this is my backyard. Cricket noises. Not really. Yeah, so that is my backyard. And this is my garage. Got a dance floor. Automatic garage door and car, and behind that there's a bike and my things. There we go. Okay. That looked like it was on purpose. But it wasn't. Okay, here's the room. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite nice. But I prefer my bedroom. Can't get through. There we go. Wait. Laggy? Okay, we're good. So this is my bed. Okay. This is my bed. Might not seem laggy to you, but when I'm saying laggy, that means I'm not even touching any keys and it's moving forward or whatever. So this is my room. I have a small bookshelf here. I have a TV and couch here. It's not really a couch, it's more of a chair. This is my closet, sort of. A nice blue love heart. And my bathroom, which is quite small, if you ask me. But if you think it's big, then you can believe it's big. Okay. Down here, I have my breakfast, now lunch. So let me eat this grey pancake in my grey cell. And now it's loaded in. My hair's loaded in, at least. Yeah. Okay. Next thing is, yeah. So this is the kitchen. Blah blah blah. Yeah, you don't know about that. Okay. So today I'm gonna lag. I'm not touching anything. Okay, all good. Now I'm gonna go out. Come on. Oh my god, what? Next, I'm gonna get that power thingy, turn it off, so there's no light, and I'm saving energy. If there is any in this game, but whatever. Just gonna act like there is. That is a nice house. Nice house. Okay, the lag's kind of stopped now. Gee. Someone's working. And yeah, so. How do you like my new intro? Comment down below if you like it, or like the video if you like it. Because, yeah. That was my first new intro. Because if you realized, I changed my channel name from Wolf to Wolf Gaming because Wolfsbane, I realized, is bad for wolves, and I love wolves, and I would love a wolf pet, as you can tell by their name. But yeah, what was it taking well? Yeah, you know, if you agree with me, comment down below if you agree with me. That when you're driving a moped, it sounds like a really wet fart. I'm sorry if I have a dirty mind, because I do. Hey! Hey, blah! Blah. Blah, blah, blah. 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 Hey! Hey. Hey. That's my friend, just so you know. Might have seen some other videos of her. Yeah. I am Rek. Just so you know. Hehe. Lol. Lol. Okay. Bye. Bye, Rek. Okay. Recky Rek. Oh my god, this thing is no lag. Let's no lag. That's a nice house. That's a really nice house. I like it. I like modern houses, just in case you don't. No. Oh, I'm gonna walk to this girl because I can't. Oh, go. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Just so you know, I got most of the packs. So I've got premium. Look, H. Premium, because my writing is red. I've also got better placing and other stuff. Here, I'll show you. So I don't have large plot, but I've got everything else. So I've got excellent employee, I got premium, unlock stereo, advanced placing, multiple floors, although I don't really need it. I got everything pretty much, and I still got 300 Robux left. Yeah, it's not much, but I don't care. Okay, let's continue, and maybe if you like, I might do more of these. I know this video is just a starting video, but I'll do more interesting things when I have more friends around. Like my friend Lovely Lexlove that I've done some videos with before. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay, how much money have I earned right now? I have earned 286 bucks. I'm gonna be rich. Not really. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, that was just only for one pizza. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing for a few bits and bobs. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in probably a second when I'm finished working, and then I'll get to some more interesting things. Alright guys, this is my last delivery, just so you know. It's this guy, and the game is not laggy anymore by the look of it, so I am ready to go home. If my car is still there, and my car is not there. Okay, I'm gonna quickly teleport to my house. So yeah, shift ended. How much did I get? It's gonna be a surprise. Ooh, gonna be a surprise. Okay, next thing. And I also found this kid who was roasting another person, and I was like, yeah, and you're about to get roasted by a YouTuber. And then he just fell silent, which was funny. I got 3,000 bucks. Yeah. So once I get tomorrow, yeah, sort of tomorrow. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do a video where I spend that money and do some work in my backyard. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time, or tomorrow, or whatever you watch. Bye!